This complicated structure was considered extremely difficult to build in Europe, and when it came to India, people said it was not possible at all. I'm talking about Lotus Temple, where spirituality meets stunning designs. And experimental wooden models were created to understand how the structure would form. This was not an easy feat, but with months of planning and a lot of labor, the project took 7 whole years but finally came to life, and that too under budget. This is one of the complex architectural marvels of India. It was designed by Fariborz Sahba, and a lot of engineers said that this design and structure was impossible to build. But Fariborz himself undertook the challenge and he became the project manager for this temple. It is a Baha'i House of Worship that was built in 1986. Like all other Baha'i houses of worship, the Lotus Temple is open to all, regardless of religion or any other qualification. The building is composed of 27 freestanding marble clad called petals, arranged in clusters of 3 to form 9 sides, with 9 doors opening onto a central hall, with a height of slightly over 34 meters and capacity of 2,000 people. Don't forget to visit the Lotus Temple and learn all about the Baha'i faith. There is also an informational center and library that explains the story of the Lotus Temple, and it also has a miniature study model that was created for the structure. Have you ever visited this temple? Let me know in the comments below and follow me for more videos.